Yamaha Motor in USA unveiled full official video. New Yamaha Sports Touring Motorcycle 2024 Tracer 9 GT Plus model. Yamaha Touring Motorcycle 2024 Tracer 9 GT Plus is taking things to the next level in years 2024 and adopting radar tech alongside a host of upgrades on the new Tracer 9 GT Plus variant. This model also along with price, which will retail for $27,599 in US for per unit. Yamaha Premium Sports Tourer Motorcycle, the Tracer 9 GT Plus gets a new millimeter wave radar system, underpinning the adoption of adaptive cruise control as well as a radar-assisted UBS, or Unified Brake System. This 2024 Yamaha Touring motorcycles also update and added extra is the system detects indicator use and will accelerate more smoothly back up to speed in that scenario. When it seems like an overtaking maneuver is underway, the ACC is also linked into the throttle, engine brake, regular brakes and suspension, to further optimize the system's performance. So how do you feel after watch this model Touring 2024? Please let me know by comment below. If you want to know more details with this Touring Motorcycles 2024, please comment below or check in Yamaha Motorcycle in USA web for clearly. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell to see my new video each first. Thanks for watching my video until the end.